Okay, Project Cold Case. I believe I have in a video already that obviously is pretty well complete. Air duct off of it, whatever. But year and 3 months from the time I took it apart, put head gaskets on it, put the heads back on it, heads and intake. Did all that in December of 2014, and it pretty much sat. Come out here and tinker here, tinker there, but never really made any progress on it until just a couple days ago. Well, got it back together, and you know, I've been pretty fortunate with most of my projects in my life. Most of the time I do things, measure twice, cut once, so to speak. What I'll do is I'll double and triple and quadruple check things. People think I'm crazy. I've been said I had OCD, whatever, but I just don't like doing things twice. And well, go away. You can screw right off, buddy. Anyway. Yep. Let me repeat that. So, here's my theory. Because I smelled gas last night, when I first started to fire it up, I smelled gas really, really strongly. First thing I did was I came back here to the fuel lines where they go into the intake plenum and checked, and even checked with a mirror really good. As you can see, there's the air bleeder. I even checked with a mirror really good. Oh, I need to plug that vacuum line back up. It's right there. And it's not wet back there. I don't see any other signs of fuel leaking. I even crawled up under there and looked. So what I'm thinking is, since this is the CPI, the Central Port Injection 4.3, it's a WVN code. These things, pretty much anything that uses this style of injector, GM here, a little funny looking stubby injector, you can't really service them. They're known for going bad. I believe this one has stuck open, possibly, and is just dumping fuel into the engine. I believe she's hydrolocked. So, I am going to pull a few spark plugs and see what we can find. Hey, big guy. hang out over here on me? There. Right off. He's up this way, somewhere. Come up here and try to find him, bud.
It should be far.
Holy fucking shit. Oh. All up on my video. Just as I suspected. You should have seen the gasoline. Just look, you see how, I don't know if you can see. Oh, just look at that. Look, watch where I touched the plug to the battery. Look, that's the gasoline coming off the plug. Just soaking wet. And if you look down there, gas just dripping out of there. How wet it is. That's all from that first cylinder. That'd be cylinder 2. Oh, man. Yep. Well, problem number 1, sticky injector. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so we're back with Project Fail Repair, also known as Project Cold Case. And we really did have a fail to go back to. We had added us all back together, and I didn't video taking a plenum off and all that. But what happened was when we got fired up, and I got video of that too. When we got fired up, and it hydro locked on me after a while. Kept smelling gas. I thought the injector hung wide open. I went and watched the video, trying to figure out a way to clean these injectors. That, you know, pretty much throwaway. And the guy cut the video on, had his upper plenum off, and I see this piece in the video right here, and I realize I'm an idiot, and I didn't put that piece on there, and it allowed that fuel line to blow off, and I'm assuming suck gas into the lower intake. So we're going to fix that, drain the cylinders, pull the spark plugs out, drain the cylinders, and put it back together, see how she goes. All right, go ahead. Would you focus on the task at hand for once in your life? You cut it on and right back off. Do it again, cut it on, leave it on. All right, cut it off and then do it again. All right, one more time. Okay, she's staying now. Here we are, got all the spark plug wires undone. Got the coil unplugged. And waiting on this slow ass woman to get done making sandwiches, getting the spark plugs out, and we can spin it over.
Yeah!